Alright, how about a Honda tip video on brake clicking? And some people will complain about their brakes on a Honda making a distinct click sound. And it will almost always happen when you change direction. So you were going forward and now let's say you park it, in a parking spot or something, and now you back out, and as soon as you hit the brakes you hear a distinct click, and that's what I'm talking about. Well, what's happening is, and I just happened to be doing a brake job, so I figured it was a perfect time to talk about it. What's happening is the ear right here on the brake pad is hitting the caliper, depending on which direction you go. Honda builds enough clearance in here to allow for corrosion and for heat expansion when these things get hot. And so at times there's a little bit of play in here, and that's perfectly normal. That's the way Honda has designed it, so they don't seize up in there. So basically when you change direction and you apply the brakes, boom, they go like that. And then when you change direction again, click, they go down and hit the other one like that. And you'll hear that distinct sound. Like I said, it's perfectly normal. And usually it will happen only when you change direction. So if you go forward and stop for the first time and hit it, they'll click. And you go reverse the first time, it'll click. Every time after that, when you hit the brakes in the same direction, it usually won't make a sound. They won't click. Obviously, if you're concerned and they're making more sounds than just a normal little click when you change directions, you should probably have them checked out by somebody who knows what they're doing. So if every time you change direction you hear a distinct click and then you don't hear it again as long as you're traveling in the same direction, this is probably what's going on. It's probably normal operation. And hey, as always, if this quick tip helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.